All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to be giving a review of the DANNER. All right, Portland Select Mountain Light Cascade. All right, so this is the boot itself, and I'm about to go ahead and open it up from the side. I know you all, if you are waiting to get these, I know this is a very great moment for you because you've been waiting a long time. It's an expensive boot, and it's a very quality boot. I'm going to pull this back like that. Here it is. All right, there's the DANNER boot. Look at it right there. Made in Portland, Oregon, as you can see. Right there. Classic red flat shoelaces. There goes the front of it. All right. There's the side. Let's take a look on the inside of it. Can't really see too well in there, but look at this classic lip on the back right here. Front. And then there goes the stripping all right around here. Stitching. On the bottom, it has the Vibram soles right here. All right. I'm going to pull them all, both out, and I'm just going to set it on top of the box. Just sit on top of the box like right here. There you have it right there. Classic DANNER unboxing. Okay. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Check the description part of the page for more information.